How to share WhatsApp status with one person. Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to share your WhatsApp status with only one person. First of all, go to your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, tap on this update section to go to your WhatsApp. So after you come to this section, all you have to do, tap on this three dot, tap on this privacy. So tap on this last option, share with. So tap on this included. So from this section, all you have to do, just go and select the person that you want to share your WhatsApp status with him. So for me, I will just go with this person. So after you select the person, all you have to do, just tap on this save icon. So as you can see now, he says include just one person included. So that's it guys, on how to share WhatsApp status with only one person. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.